In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a USD account on Wise using your iPhone in 2025. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily manage your finances internationally. Wise has become an essential tool for many, especially those dealing with multiple currencies, due to its simplicity, low fees, and accessibility. Starting off, let's make sure you have the Wise app installed on your iPhone, as this will be crucial for setting up your USD account. Once you've got the app ready, go ahead and open it. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but for this tutorial we're assuming you're already set up. Once in the app or website, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This ensures that all the features and functions within the app are available to you as a user. After logging in, your next step is to navigate to the Balances section. This is where you'll manage all the currencies associated with your Wise account. Look for the option that allows you to add another currency. This function within Wise enables you to handle multiple currency balances, which is particularly convenient if you frequently deal in more than one currency. Once there, you should see the option labelled Balance. Tap this to move forward in the process. This is the critical step in connecting a new currency to your Wise account. You'll be prompted with a selection of currencies to choose from. Since we're focusing on USD, look for USD United States dollar and select it. This will start the procedure for adding USD as a balance to your account. After selecting USD, you'll need to get your account details. To do this, tap the Get Account Details button. Wise will guide you through a verification process to obtain these details, which is important to activate your USD account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete this verification. Wise typically makes this straightforward, ensuring that even those new to the service can navigate these steps with ease. Next, to fully activate your newly added USD account, you will need to make a small deposit. A nominal amount like $20 should suffice to activate the account. This step is vital as it confirms your interest in maintaining an active balance in USD within your Wise account. Finally, after you've made your deposit, your USD account along with all its details should now be active. You can use these details just like you would a local bank account in the US. This feature is particularly advantageous, allowing for easy transfers and transactions across borders without the usual headaches associated with international banking. And that's everything you need to do to open up a USD account on Wise using your iPhone in 2025. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the app or visit their help section for more detailed guides. Thank you for watching.